Namaskar, good morning friends. Today I am here with a new topic, my friends, and a different topic, that is phrasal verb. Friends, let me tell you briefly about phrasal verb. Generally, we read verbs of a single word, but today we are going to read verbs which generally have two or more than two words. If any verb has two words or more than two words, they are called phrasal verbs. And I have chosen word for phrasal verb, that is blow. And blow, it has different meaning when we use blow alone without adding any other word. It has different meaning, and when we add some new words, it has different meanings. Let's go and have all the meaning of blow alone and with some new words like a phrasal verb also. Okay, let's go. First of all, I would like to tell you all three forms of blow. They are blow, blew, and blown. And the first meaning of blow is, my friend, look at the screen. Blow means used for wind or air. हवा का बहना. दोस्तों, हवा का बहने को हम महसूस करते हैं और हवा के बहने से परिणाम स्वरूप हम चीजों को मूव करते हुए भी देखते हैं. तो मैं उसी मूवमेंट को आपके सामने वीडियो के रूप में रखूंगा दोस्तों, कि हवा जब बहती है तो चीजों के मूवमेंट को आप देख सकते हैं. तो हवा के बहने को कैसे दिखाएं हम वीडियो के फॉर्म में? तो हम किसी चीज के मूवमेंट को आपको दिखाएंगे कि हवा के बहने से वह चीज हिल रही है. तो ब्लो का पहला अर्थ होता है दोस्तों यूज्ड फॉर विंड. इसको हम हवा के लिए इस्तेमाल में लाते हैं, एयर के लिए हवा का बहना या चलना. Okay, let's go to have a video how we can understand that air is blowing, the wind is blowing. Okay, friends, you must have understood हवा का बहना. किसी भी चीज के मूवमेंट से हमने आसानी से समझ ली कि हवा बह रही है या हवा बह रही थी. And it has one more meaning, my friend. Blow means move because of current of air. What I talked in my previous example, I would like to show you one more video, my friend. हवा से वस्तुओं का उड़ना. हवा के प्रवाह से वस्तुएं उड़ जाती हैं. ये आपने कई बार अपने घर पे भी एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा. I'm going to show you a video. The same thing happened in my classroom. Would you like to see the video? Blow का दूसरा अर्थ है हवा से वस्तुओं का उड़ना. Means move because of current of air. And let's have the video, please. Yes, my friends, it was obvious, very clear, हवा से किसी चीज का उड़ जाना. And you must have understood properly. And the third one, my friend, blow means it has very different meaning. Ghumsa, mukka, a powerful heavy hit by the fist. I remember in my childhood, some of the students was teasing me a lot and I got angry and I gave him a big blow. really. And I would like to show you a video. You can see a big blow. Ready? But don't fight with anybody. It may be dangerous. Don't give anybody a blow. Okay? Have the video, please. Yes, it was a very clear and nice video. You must have understood blow, ghusa, mukka. But friends, it has one more meaning. And thousands of people experienced a blow. And recently, the whole India received a blow when we heard the news of the death of Mr. Vipin Rawat, CDS, the first CDS of India. Really, we miss him, and his death was a big blow for India, Indian people. Really, I salute him, Mr. Vipin Rawat. It was really a big blow. And friends, during Corona pandemic, thousands of people lost their jobs. It was also a big blow for them. ये भी उनके लिए बहुत बड़ा झटका या आघात के रूप में रहा है दोस्तों. I hope that soon we are going to be free from this pandemic. And friend, one more meaning of blow, that is with a new word, blow up, means now this is a phrasal verb. Friends, blow up means to push or fill air inside it to make it larger, as we do when we fill air in balloon. I'm going to show you the same thing here, and later I'll show you a video. I'm going to blow up a balloon. Did you see what I did? I blew this balloon up by filling air inside this balloon. And let's have one video you can understand in a much better way. Okay, video please. गुब्बारे में हवा भरना. Yeah, did you see the video? Okay, now it's very clear. Blow up means it may be a balloon or pillow, air pillow. When you fill air inside the same, they just become larger, and we can say that we blow up a balloon and we blow up a pillow. And the next meaning is blow up means to destroy by an explosion, विस्फोट से उड़ा देना. Time and again we hear in news that terrorists attacked and they blew up the bridge. उन्होंने bridge को उड़ा दिया. Similarly, when we just crack crackers, sometimes for fun, we put any object over a bomb and we just burst it, then what happens? You know, I have a video for you. just to show blow up, to destroy by an explosion, विस्फोट से उड़ा देना. Let's have the video, please. Okay, friends, now it's very clear, and the next one is blow out. Friends, blow out means what? Stop burning candle or flame. फूंक मार करके कैंडल को बुझा देना या किसी फ्लेम को बुझा देना. दोस्तों, blow out. Blow out, once again, stop burning candle or flame. फूंक मार के बुझा देना. Would you like to see something? Here I am going to do for you, and then later I'll show you a video as well. The flame, I am going to blow this flame out. Okay, clear what I did? And now have the video, please.
Yes. It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay, friends, next meaning, next word, blow hot and cold. Blow hot and cold means indecisive behavior, means अनिर्णायक स्थिति में रहना. क्या करें, क्या न करें, what to do, what not to do. Sometimes we are also in the same condition. Keep changing one's mind. कभी हाँ, कभी ना. One more word is for the same. Shilly-shally. Stop doing shilly-shally. Take a firm decision what to do. Then blow hot and cold means अनिर्णायक स्थिति में होना, कभी हाँ, कभी ना. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हमें कोई चीज, खाने पीने की चीज जब हम देखते हैं तो हमारा दिल तो करता है खा ले, बट किसी रिस्ट्रिक्शन के चलते, किसी प्रतिबंध के चलते हम अपने आप को रोक लेते हैं, नहीं खाना है. बार बार मन हमारा उसी चीज पर जाता है कि खा लेते हैं, लेकिन फिर आप अपने आप को रिस्ट्रिक्ट करते हैं, नहीं खाना है. ऐसा ही कुछ वीडियो हमारी क्लास की एक स्टूडेंट ने भी आपके लिए भेजा है. आइए देखते हैं इस वीडियो के माध्यम से ब्लो हॉट एंड कोल्ड. आई एम श्योर यू विल अंडरस्टैंड perfectly. Yes, was it clear for you, friends? And the next one, blow one's own trumpet. अपना ही राग अलापना, अपने मुंह मियां मिट्ठू, अपनी तारीफ खुद करना. सामने वाला सुनना चाहता है कि नहीं चाहता है, हम महज सामने वाले से प्रशंसा पाने के लिए हम अपनी तारीफों के पुल बांधने लग जाते हैं. Blow one's own trumpet means keep telling other people you have very good quality and sharp brain in order to receive admiration. अपना ही राग अलापना. You must have done amongst your friends. Did you ever do that? कभी आपने अपना ही राग अलापा है? We have one student here in our class. He always does the same thing. He blows his own trumpet, Mr. Rahul, and I am going to show you the video. You will understand what Rahul is doing. He is just blowing his own trumpet. Enjoy.
ये हुडी देख रहे हो? हुडी 16,000 की हुडी है. 16,000 की, सऊदी अरेबिया से मंगाया है मैंने. सऊदी अरेबिया से 16,000 की हुडी पहनता हूं मैं. 16,000 की. तुमको पता है अपनी वॉच में जेब में क्यों रखता हूं? ये जेब में इसलिए रखता हूं क्योंकि ये देखिए, प्योर गोल्ड है, स्विस कंपनी की गोल्ड वॉच ओन करता हूं मैं। प्योर गोल्ड 4 लाख की घड़ी रखता हूं मैं, 4 लाख की रखता हूं। एक्चुअली पहनता नहीं क्योंकि एक बार गिर चुकी थी। एक्चुअली पिछले महीने एक बाइक मंगवाया, हायाबूसा 19 लाख की बाइक है, 19 लाख की, दिल्ली से मंगवाया मैंने। हायाबूसा ओन करता हूं मैं, एकमात्र पर्सन जो हायाबूसा ओन करता है रायपुर में। यार मैंने अपनी कार सर्विस में, तुमको पता है सर्विस कॉस्ट कितना है? 80,000 सर्विसिंग का कॉस्ट आया मुझे। अरे कार का नाम तो सुनो, BMW 8 सीरीज है मेरे पास, 8 सीरीज M8 स्पोर्ट, 3 करोड़ की कार है, पूरी 3 करोड़ की यार। BMW, अरे मेरे पास मर्सिडीज C क्लास भी है यार। BMW, मर्सिडीज, हायाबूसा ओन करने वाला पर्सन हूं मैं रायपुर में।
Yes. Did you enjoy what Rahul was doing? He was blowing his own trumpet. He was talking about his costly bike and gold watch. Many more things he was talking about. He was blowing his own trumpet. And the next word, my friend, that is come to blow. Once again, we have the word blow. Come to blow means to have a physical fight. मारपीट करना. You remember in your childhood, you must have done physical fight with your brother and sister. You must have come to blow. The same thing I am going to show you. 2 sisters, they started fighting. They came to blow on a trifle. It wasn't a reason to come to blow. Look at the video. Have the video and try to understand what come to blow is. Video please.
तू मेरे को कैसे तू मेरा पेन क्यों ली? तू मेरा पेन क्यों लिया है? भाग यहाँ से, भाग यहाँ। मेरा समझ गई ना, मेरा मार दूंगी तेरे को, मार दूंगी।
Okay friends, did you enjoy today's topic? I hope you all are going to use this phrasal verb blow with different meaning, and I expect one thing from your side. You please subscribe my channel and share amongst your friends. Let them learn English in a proper way. And one more thing, you just become miser when you don't send me any message. I'm waiting for your message, my friend. I will be here again with a new topic. Till then, Jai Hind. Bye-bye.